welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd do a different and new type of video. Today I will be reviewing a home delivery food service called Home Chef. So about a week ago, Jonathan and I decided that we wanted to start eating healthier and try to lose a little bit of weight since we have a wedding in April. So point is, we are usually very busy, and by the time we get home we try to cook something fast or just go out and buy some food or fast food, and it's not always that healthy. So we wanted to stick to the healthier side, and we did our research, and I know there's a lot of type of delivery food services or home delivery food services out there. So we really did our research, and in the end we decided to go with Home Chef. So our box just came in, and I'm super excited to be trying out these meals because supposedly they are meals that are just simple and easy to make and fast at that as well. And that's a really big plus for us since we're constantly cooking very late. We want something really fast and easy that by the time we get home, we are not eating as late. So this is the box that it came in. This is the box right here. This is the box that all the contents came in. It's a pretty big box. It just has a Home Chef symbols and some symbols at the side of it. It looks like it's pretty sealed up on the top. So the way this works is that it's supposed to be sealed to the point where if you are not home when it gets delivered, it should be insulated well enough for the contents inside of the box to stay fresh and so they not go bad. Pretty much how it works is that you just log into the app or you create an account online, and you basically just choose your meals that you want for the week. The good thing about Home Chef is that it is basically a subscription, but not really. You can choose the weeks that you want to receive the meals, and if you want to skip a week or miss a week, you can go ahead and do that as well. Jonathan and I chose 4 meals, and basically each of the meals were 2 portions each. So each of the meals were about $7, so about $15 each, and the total that we paid was about $60. However, we did have a promo code since we were first-time buyers. We got we got $30 off. So that was about half off. So it is actually not bad, guys, because you'll be paying about the same thing if you eat out, and sometimes your meals are not as healthy when you're eating out. So this is a really good price for what we're getting in here. So basically, when you log in or you create an account, you will have a promo code. So the good thing about it is that the more you share it, or if you have someone that is interested in eating healthy, you can share with them and they'll get $30 off of their orders, and you'll get $30 off of your order. So you won't be paying the same. I believe that you get free shipping if it is, I want to say $40 or $45. I am not so sure on that. Now, we did have to pay for shipping because since we did pay $30, we had to pay about $10 shipping, which is not that bad because I mean you're only paying for it every Tuesday, and you get all these meals for half off even then. And you get to choose the amount of meals that you want. In this case, we only wanted to try 4 meals. That way we can have a little extra wiggle room in between. So your packages should be arriving every single Tuesday, and your transaction for the next week after that should go in on Friday. So you order your meal and then it arrives on Tuesday. You get to choose your meals online, and then by the time the Friday comes along, your subscription or your fee renewal will go into your account, and by that time you should have already chosen your meals for them to arrive in the next Tuesday. So the pretty neat thing about Home Chef as well is that you can actually choose different meals each week. So like I said, you can cancel it whenever you want, or you can skip weeks if you want to. So that's really neat about it and very, very convenient. So supposedly each of these meals are supposed to take about 30 minutes long. And I am actually very ready to open this package up to see what's inside, and so I can show you guys. So let's open this bad boy up. Okay guys, so let's open this up now. I'm just using a kitchen knife to open it since I do not have a box cutter. So this box arrived a couple of hours ago. So it's been not refrigerated or not on the freezer for a long while now. So let's see how the contents inside of the box held up. So as of right now, I'm seeing a lot of insulation on the side, so that's pretty good, and it's pretty thick. So that's really good on keeping the contents cool. So on the top, you'll just find I'm assuming, let's see, so a 20% off holiday gift, and it gives me a code here on the bottom. I don't know if you guys could see that. It's just a little pamphlet about, oh no, this is not, so it's a, let's see, a memorable gift for all sport fans. So this is a fan chest. So it's a fan chest by Home Chef, Times Home Chef. So this has nothing to do with Home Chef. This is just a, I can use a Home Chef promo code to get something off from Fan Chest. I've never ordered anything from Fan Chest, so I'm just gonna give that to Johnny to see if he wants to look at that. So, and then on the top, it comes with your meals that you ordered for throughout the week. So we have our nacho burger. I don't know if you guys could see that. We also have a farmhouse fried chicken. Hopefully you guys can see those. We also have a fig glazed pork tenderloin and a steak strip and broccoli lo mein. So these were all of the meals that we ordered. Like I said, we ordered 4 of them. So on the back, it comes with the instructions, and it does come with everything that you will need. And it does tell you guys, so I've read on this before, that make sure you read all of the instructions before you actually start cooking, because sometimes they tell you different stuff that you have to do while you're cooking certain stuff. And it gives me all of my little pictures, or all of my little cards give me what's supposed to be in my box. So what's supposed to be coming in each of the package. So what's cool about them is they're kind of laminated, so you guys can put these in binders, or if you want, you can put them in a folder or in one of those clear sleeve packets, so just in case you want to have them in your kitchen. So on the side, there's more insulation right there. There's some bubble wrap here. This is a nice pack. It's still very sturdy. It is a little watered down, but like I said, this has been in my kitchen or outside for a couple of hours since it did get here when we were not here. So there's one of them, but it's still really solid in there. So this is one. This is 2. This one's super solid. Like, I cannot feel any water. This is the 3rd ice pack. This one, there's water, but still really solid. This is the 4th one, very solid, and some water in there. So there's insulation, and then you also have your ice pack to keep all of your contents inside of your box fresh. So there's bubble wrap in here, I guess, to keep the stuff from moving out. So all of the ingredients and all of the food that you will need will come, well, for each of the recipes or each of the meals will come in one of these bags. They're almost like your grape bags that you find at your grocery stores. So each of the bags contain all of the different ingredients that you have, and it actually, I don't know, hopefully you guys can see, they're all labeled right here. So this one's for the fig glazed pork tenderloin, and as of right now, I can see all of the ingredients, and all of them look very fresh, and none of them have any brown on the side, so everything looks really, really fresh. So this is my first one. This is my second one as well in the same bag. So I have my farmhouse fried chicken and all of what it contains. So it contains milk, eggs, and wheat. Oh, by the way, guys, so what's cool about this is that if you're trying to avoid, I'm gonna stop making noise with these bags. So if you're trying to avoid any type of food, it does give you the option to choose what you're avoiding, or if you're trying to do a low carb diet, you can do a low carb diet, or if you're doing a low calorie diet, you can as well do a low calorie diet. It has those options for you to choose from. So all of these are my ingredients in this one. This is my second one. This is my third one. We did order a steak strip and broccoli lo mein. So from the broccoli and all the produce that I'm seeing here, it is very fresh. It does look very, very fresh. This one contains wheat and soy. So if wheat and soy is something that you're trying to avoid, make sure you do click on that on the website. And this is my fourth one. Like I said, we did order 4. This is my nacho burger. And like I said, it comes with everything that you will need. So it even comes with white cream. At the very bottom, it comes with a cardboard to separate to separate more ice packs. So this is another ice pack. This one's already almost water. This one's another ice pack, that's 2, 3, and 4. They're very, very well held up though, guys. Put that to the side. I probably should have cleared all of my counter space area, and that's because I hardly have any. So in this bag, it looks like there's insulation on the bottom, and there's also this white strip on the bottom in case any of your meat is leaking, I'm assuming, to not get on the insulation and then on the box. So in this bag, you have all of your meat. So I have my sliced beef, my pork tenderloin, and my chicken. And then in this bag, I have no idea what this is. Let's see. Oh, I have my ground beef chunk. So the meat does look really, really fresh, guys. It looks like it hasn't been sitting for a while. It looks like they literally just shipped it to us after they got it sealed and ready to go. So that's a really big plus on that. So this is the box. So I'm gonna lay out all of our ingredients out on the counter so you guys can see them. Okay guys, so these are all the ingredients that came in the bag. Like I said, literally Home Chef provides you with everything that you're gonna need for your meal. If you need butter, it provides you with butter. It provides you with even, I guess this is your teriyaki glaze, your produce, your seasoning, which that's a big plus in case you don't have any seasoning. Even oil, it provides you with your oil and any extra, I guess like your extra sauces and your extra cheeses, all your produce, your creams, your flour, and your meats. Like I said, these meats are very well sealed, so that's a big plus. And it comes in these kind of bags, so just in case one of them does spill, it's gonna spill on these bags and not gonna get all over your produce and your extra content. And it is well separated as well. So the meats are very nice. They're very nice and red. It looks like they're very fresh. It looks like a good quantity for me and Johnny as well. Your produce, I just laid it out. I mean, they just have it in your bags, but I will recommend you to wash them just in case they are not washed. Like this sauce did spill a little bit, and it spilled over my Brussels sprouts and some of my carrots. So I will be washing that before I start cooking everything on this table. These are all of our meals laid out for you guys. I am really liking the way they packaged all of this and the way they separated all of it for us, and the way everything comes as it is, because everything is already pretty much rationed out for you. So this is the amount of corn that we're both going to be eating. It's not a lot, but like I said, we are on a low carb and low calorie diet, and they give us all of the portions. So basically all you need to do is either peel and cut or just start cooking, and it looks like it's going to be very simple and very easy. Most of our meals are about 30 minutes long, and some of them are even shorter, so it's not going to take that long. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. So I would give this home delivery food service a 10 out of 10, only because everything arrived in time. It arrived on Tuesday. It actually arrived early in the day. We just weren't here, and the box and its contents itself actually held up very well, considering that it was outside and it is pretty hot out there. And everything looks fresh, and everything looks very not old. Everything looks very good in its shape. Nothing was spilling except for that little small container, but I think it's because I moved the bag. Other than that, everything is well sealed. Nothing looks brown, so that is a very big plus. And as of right now, I feel like we got our money's worth from this box. So I will I will be taking out another video where we actually record and bring you guys along the way, where we cook and we try our meals, see how that goes for us. So if you like this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure to also subscribe to my channel, and make sure you also turn on the bell notification so you can get notified every time I post a new video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!